Hello and welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy and cheesy snack, Aloo Triangle, the perfect tea time treat. Let's get started. Take 2 boiled potatoes and mash well. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon oregano, 3 tablespoon mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Mix everything into a smooth dough. Make sure potatoes are boiled well for a smooth dough. If the mixture feels sticky, add a little extra corn flour. Now take some dough, roll it out and cut into triangle shape. Potatoes are rich in potassium and fiber. Mozzarella adds calcium and protein. Coriander leaves bring freshness and antioxidants. For the coating, mix quarter cup flour with half cup water to make a slurry. Dip each triangle in slurry. Coat with vermicelli. And fry in medium heated oil for 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat so the inside cooks evenly. Vermicelli coating gives a unique crunch compared to breadcrumbs. This snack is inspired by Italian flavors with oregano and cheese. Potatoes are one of the world's most used vegetable in snack. Aloo triangles are perfect for kids' parties or family gathering. Frying in clean oil makes it safer and tastier at home. Your aloo triangles are ready to enjoy. Golden and crispy outside, cheesy and soft inside. Aloo triangles are sure to be a family favorite. Try this recipe and serve it with ketchup or your favorite dip. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Which dip would you pair with this triangle? Chili sauce, mayonnaise or classic ketchup? Comment below and let us know.